Rob, this year the pharma world has been all about mergers and acquisitions. Now, from one pharma company, we have a potential demerger. This is Bayer of Germany. What are they planning to do?
Well, they want to spin out their materials science business to their shareholders. So this company is actually not one pharma company, it's four companies in one. You have a big pharma company, a big consumer health company, a smallish crop science company, insecticides, seeds, and so forth, and finally this material science business. And they're saying we're pushing material science out of the mix and giving it to our shareholders.
What sort of business is this materials science, and why does it no longer fit with the other parts of Bayer?
Well, they make polymers, plastics, and such, and it doesn't fit on the numbers. The other three business kind of free cash return on capital in the mid-teens. This is a much lower cash return business, 5–6%. So you look at it and you look at the margins and you look at its size, and it's, numerically the ugly duckling of the group. So just on a pure Excel spreadsheet basis, it makes all the sense in the world.
So you demerge it, and then does the valuation go up? Is that the idea?
Well, it goes up a little, and indeed the stock is up a little bit today, but it's not big enough to move the needle in a huge way. Yes, material science businesses carry lower valuation multiples than some of the other businesses they have, but when the thing is 10 or 12% of the cash flow of the company, you're not going to get a big pop. The interesting question, though, is what they do with the rest of the businesses. The real bonanza in terms of releasing higher valuations would be the consumer healthcare businesses, which are very hot businesses right now, and many other companies are breaking them up.
And this is an area that Bayer itself has beefed up this year with an acquisition.
They've got about $2 billion more sales coming on top of a business that's kind of 7–8 billion euros. So by the time they get Merck's consumer health business mixed in there, consumer health and pharmaceuticals will be about the same size.
Okay, so that's one demerger certainly on the way for Bayer, perhaps another further down the line.
We'll have to see.
Thanks very much.